Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zoho Vault, manage team passwords step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Zoho Vault login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button. Input your password in the designated password box. Select the Login button to proceed. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication method. Enter the code sent to your device and click on Verify. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Zoho Vault dashboard. From here, you can manage your team's passwords. To add a new password, select the Add Password option. Fill in the necessary details such as the password name, username, and the actual password. You may also assign the password to specific team members. Save your changes to ensure the password is stored securely. To view or edit existing passwords, navigate to your password list. Select the password you wish to modify. You can update any details and save again. For team management, go to the Users section. Here, you can add new team members or manage existing ones. Assign roles and permissions according to your team's needs. Regularly review your password management practices to maintain security. That's how you log in and manage your team passwords in Zoho Vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.